Hello, my name is Emma Mason.
My name is Mary Collier.
Hi, I'm Liliana Pena.
My name is Haya Siddiqui.
Hi, my name is Emma Schmegley. I'm a graduating senior at Incarnate Word High School.
So I chose Incarnate Word High School as a faith-based school because they offer a lot of different things than other schools, and I really just love being involved in that way.
Something that's singled out Incarnate Word from the rest of the high schools is like the modular schedule. It definitely helps foster a sense of independence for each student. You have your own schedule, you have to manage your time the way you need to, and a sense of discipline and responsibility to meet your teachers, to finish your work, and to take even tests.
I'm involved in a lot of different clubs. I'm in the art club, I'm an ambassador here at Incarnate Word, I'm in NHS, and I also was volleyball manager for the first 3 years of my high school experience.
I am starting a citywide lacrosse team to grow our game and to make this sport one of the best sports possible.
Some of the traditions we celebrate at Incarnate Word, we have very many, but a few that really stick out are our big sister, little sister, our freshman tie ceremony, our sophomore pins, and our junior ring ceremony.
One benefit of going to an all-girls high school is not feeling like you have to dress up every day or look a certain way to please anyone. We are all coming as we are each day and just ready to learn. That's our biggest priority. So looks don't really matter here. It's you come as you are, we love you for who you are, and that's the most important thing.
You belong here at Incarnate Word High School.